Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Stash and Dash full guide. Begin by gathering a small pouch, keys, wallet, and any essential items you need every day. Next, choose 2 reliable hiding spots near your exit and 1 backup inside your bag. Time yourself and repeat the routine until it takes under a minute. Keep items minimal and replace bulky pieces with compact alternatives for speed and choose gear that supports speed and durability for Stash and Dash. Pick a slim pouch that fits in a pocket or under a seat and resists moisture and odor. Prefer low-bulk items like a slim wallet, compact multi-tool, and 1 small personal item. Label or use tactile features for quick identification. Keep spare batteries or cables in a secondary slot so you never fumble when leaving in a hurry. Placement matters for an effective Stash and Dash routine, so choose spots that are intuitive but not obvious. Keep the primary stash by your exit, hidden behind everyday items such as a shoebox or coat lining. Use a secondary stash inside a frequently used bag for when you travel. Practice retrieving and replacing items to ensure the motion is smooth and avoids drawing attention in busy spaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.